Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint opening slide in just 2 minutes. By the way, let me tell you that you can download the free template from the link in the description below. First of all, we're going to insert a rounded corner rectangle, make it really thinner. And next, what we're going to do is just make it fully rounded and duplicate it about several times that it covers the half of the slide. And you're going to reposition the round corner rectangles, some up and some down, some on top and some on bottom. Here you go. Select all of them, go to merge options and click on union. Now we're going to cover the outside part that is out of the template with a rectangle. Select the shape and then the rectangle and go to merge options and subtract it. Next, we're going to go to picture texture fill in the format background, format shape. And from here, we're going to insert a suitable image in this shape. So I'll just use this image of a Japan temple. And then what we have to do is just move it onto the right side from crop option. And next, what we're going to do is just put it by here like this and change the background's color if you wish. We can use an eyedropper for the color, but these colors are too complex and doesn't even match with the image. So it would be alright to use black. Next, what we're gonna do is just give our header, which is gonna be Japan, and we're gonna increase its size. The font I'm using is Ahmadi. Next, what we're gonna do is paste the other text, like the content text. We'll just adjust it. We're gonna set a rounded corner rectangle in which we're gonna remove its fill and give it an outline of white color, give it some fill. This is gonna act as the buttons and we're gonna duplicate it again. And we're gonna give it text fill as well. Change the fill to white, increase the text and then put them into the middle of your slide. In the middle just below your text. So this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. You can download the free template from the link in the description below.